Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start right away. Power the Acer with a charger connected, then press F2 as it boots to open BIOS. Once in, move directly to the Security tab and set a supervisor password. This unlocks the Secure Boot options. You do this because many Acer firmwares lock the Secure Boot toggle until a supervisor password exists. Keep the password simple but record it. Once done, proceed to the boot or security area to change Secure Boot settings. Once you have supervisor access, navigate to Boot or Security and locate Secure Boot. It's often listed plainly. You choose Disabled, and if you need Legacy OS support, change boot mode from UEFI to Legacy or other OS. Make sure you understand that switching modes can stop some OSes from starting. After making changes, you save and exit, confirm prompts. You do this because disabling Secure Boot allows unsigned bootloaders, which is necessary for some installers or alternative OSes. Save settings and exit, then watch the system boot. You should reach your installer or OS loader. If everything works, consider removing the supervisor password from BIOS for convenience, but only after confirming you can boot successfully. If the system refuses to boot, don't panic. Reboot into BIOS and re-enable Secure Boot or restore defaults. As a deeper recovery, remove the CMOS battery or use the BIOS reset jumper to clear settings. That troubleshooting tip gets you back to a known state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.